Realme C51 first sale day. Let's start to unbox. It's come with 4GB plus 4GB expendable RAM and 64GB of ROM. And the second variant comes with 4GB of RAM and 128GB of ROM. 64GB variant prices Rs 30,000 and 128GB variant prices Rs 350,000. Let's move on its performance and display. 1.6 GHz octa-core processor give you powerful performance. And 6.6 inches big IPS display give you good visual experience. Let's talk about its cameras. Main camera is 50 megapixel with 3.0 depth camera. And front camera is 5 megapixel. .99mm ultra slim sleek design with great colors.
For buy this phone visit Star Mobile's Dean Plaza GT Road Taxila.
.33-watt fast charger help to full 5000 mAh battery quickly.
Hope you enjoy the unboxing. See you on another video. Subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.